So ladies and gentlemen, this is Bulleteer here from Bangalore. Hope you all having a good time. Oh, this is cow on the road. So what is up? It was a long weekend, three days holiday almost till August 15th. Sunday, Monday and Tuesday, and Wednesday we are back to office. It's not pretty happy news though, because after having 2 to 3 days off, you feel a little disappointed to go back to work. I mean, this happens with the school kids as well. When they finish their vacation, it's kind of tough to go back to the school again, wake up in the morning. At least for us, we have time like 9 to 10 a.m. but the kids have morning shift where they have to go reach the school by 7 or maybe before that. So I had an opportunity to meet one of my subscribers whose name is Salman. I know people might have thought that it's the other Salman, but not. This is my subscriber, and I met him just a day before Burma Bazaar, that is Gandhi Bazaar, and I told him that I'll be coming Sunday to Yeshwantpur, and I was there, and luckily I got an opportunity to ride his 1991 model standard 350 bike, and that was the oldest bike which I have ridden. I know there are many people those have ridden 1976, 1980. I know that. I'm not claiming that this is the oldest one available, but this is the oldest one which I had personally ridden it. So how was the experience? Let's find out. Nice. That's the old standard. Where is the helmet, dude?
Just here my home is nearby, that's why.
Well, whatever the distance is, always try to wear a helmet. If not full, half face. Hey, nice man. 1991? Oh, 1991.
Right.
Hey, just check my bike.
Okay. I think it's there in gear. Check it out whether it's gear. Okay, stop. No, right? It's a manual decompression.
Manual, no?
Be in the middle. Yeah. Up, one up, all down.
When did you buy this?
Like 2-3 years.
2-3 years? I'll just go for a round. This feels very small, dude. A little bit uncomfortable because of the brake, because I'm used to the right hand side brake. This feels so old bullet is old bullet, dude. So this is a 1991 model. I'm not here to make any review or something, but eventually I got an opportunity. It is little bit confusing because the gear is on the right hand side and the brake is on the left hand side, so little bit confused. That's okay. And front brake is like not at all supportive. So this is the third gear now. It is a little tough. My right leg is going automatically to the brake because I have that habit. Anyways, it's time for me to I mean, it will take a little bit of time to be used to it, but that is okay. The handle is a little bit down when compared to the standard 500 which I have. I mean, it has been a long time. I think when I was in 2007 or 2006 when I rode the Electra. Now this is the standard, and that time itself it was like 2001 model or something, so it was not that old, but this is really old one, and it's totally different basically. Even though that pull is basically different, yes, it will be different, but that feel is totally, I mean, unexplainable. It is a learning curve to actually ride this and see. Awesome, man. Nice, man.
Some this gear, clutch leakage is there and gear oil leakage is there. That I have to show it. And the gear are like hard.
Yeah, it is hard.
That's the problem. That's it.
But see, bro, 1991 model Bullet, if you really want the smoothness and everything, then it should be like maintained in such a way. Height is little lesser for me actually.
Yeah, this is height. This is like shorter one.
But old is gold.
Yeah. Some will have tea.
So this is Salman here.
Yeah.
I was recording. So he had given a chance for me to ride this beautiful machine, Bullet 350. So next time when I come to Yeshwanthpur, I'll be calling him for a ride. Yeah. So that was pretty much it. And I have been using a new software. I'll be revealing it soon. So hope you might have liked the transitions or the video editing. If yes, then definitely give it a thumbs up and support me. Plus share this video with your friends, and if you are a new viewer by any chance, then you should go to the other videos which is shown in the end of this particular video and find the links over there. If you think it is worth it, then hit the subscribe button plus the bell button so that you will get notified whenever I post a video. So that is it, guys. You have a very nice and happy day, a great day. Take care, wear a helmet, ride safe, be safe, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Wow.